8:45 in the morning time on this Monday morning, December 9th, 2013. Time now for the weather register, PJ Wiggins, the border report. Monday morning, December 9th, 2013. Get on! Good morning to you all this lovely Monday morning. Our current conditions at 8:45 in the morning time in North Massachusetts. Got a temperature of 35 degrees with light rain, fog and mist, with humidity 89%, wind speed east about 5 miles per hour, barometer 3.23 inches, 2.32 degrees, visibility 4 miles, and wind chill 31 degrees. Alright, let's take a look at our radar scope. It shows a couple of batches of rain showers in the southeastern Massachusetts, including Norton, around Brockton, down to Plymouth, and down to Taunton, Albert, down for southeastern Rhode Island, down for southeastern Massachusetts, and the Cape Fear Islands. A couple of little sleep pellets in Situate that are quizzing down around Boston and stretching down into Sheridan, Staunton, and Easton, down through Providence, Woodstock, and Natick. Stretching down central Massachusetts and down for northeastern and northern Connecticut around Hartford, and stretching down to Worcester, down for Springfield, down through central New York around Albany, down through Newburgh in New York. And the rain showers stretch from southern Massachusetts down for southern Connecticut, down for Long Island, down for southern New Jersey, and stretching down for eastern Delaware, down for eastern Maryland, and another batch of rain showers from southern West Virginia down for West Virginia, down for Western Carolina, down for eastern Tennessee, down for northern Georgia, down for central Mississippi, down for southern Mississippi to central Alabama, and down for western Florida. A couple of batches of rain showers off southeastern Texas coastline here, and snow showers at northeastern and northern Massachusetts, down for western Maine, down for New Hampshire, Vermont, and down for northeastern New York and southern Quebec, and down for the Ontario, and stretch it out up to northern Ontario, down for eastern UP of Michigan, down for western Michigan there, and a couple of snow showers in western and eastern portions of Nova Scotia, batches of snow showers in western and eastern portions of Prince Edward Island and Atlantic Canada here. Line of rain showers off the Carolina, Georgia to Florida coastline here.
Up until 6 months ago, he was getting physical therapy occupation.
Couple blocks of snow showers in northeastern Wisconsin and central UP of Michigan. Slow showers in northwestern portions of Wisconsin and northeastern Minnesota. And I have snow showers in central New Mexico, down to northern Texas and in western Oklahoma.
As unconventional as that sounds,
A couple of batches of snow showers in western portions of Washington and off the Washington coastline with rain here. Snow showers in southeastern Washington, northeastern Oregon. Batches of snow showers in eastern Idaho, down for western Montana. A couple of batches of snow showers in eastern British Columbia. Snow showers in northeastern British Columbia. Stretching out for Alberta. Stretching out for Saskatchewan. Lake Louise, Canada. Good morning. 60 degrees below snow. Vermilion, Minnesota. Good morning. 2 degrees with scattered clouds. Okay, let's take a look at our satellite. Oh, it shows.
When the council said yes, sort of, adopting a one-year pilot project. The motion on the floor is to extend the pilot program for 2 years.
Shows a couple of batches of clouds from Texas, stretching down to the southeast states, down to the Appalachians, down to the Great Lakes, stretching down to New England and Atlantic Canada, here and down for
JJ, 100%.
Quebec, down to Ontario, and down to the Great Lakes.
This is about chickens. The proposal failed.
Couple of Brooklyn cloudiness in the eastern Rockies, around New Mexico, down for Colorado, down for western Kansas, down for western Nebraska. Another batch of the clouds from northern Idaho, down for Montana, and stretching down into
Police got a great personality.
Saskatchewan, down in Alberta, down in British Columbia, and stretching down western Washington here.
People can support us, or they can criticize. That's fine. But we know what we're doing is best for our son. And we're gonna fight for him.
For today, Kerry Sanders, NBC News, Miami.
What do you think's gonna happen?
Come on, talented family.
Tropical cyclone Manny movement, 3 miles per 20 degrees, wind speed 70 to 85. It is going to make its north and then make a southwestern curve. And it's going to make landfall in southeastern India. Here.
Town council, they'll turn it over.
Solution. Up next.
Okay, let's take a look at our map situation. It shows High pressure low centered in eastern Idaho and northern Nevada and in western Nebraska. And a cold front from northern British Columbia down to Alberta, and a warm front from central Alberta between Edmonton and Calgary, stretching down from western Saskatchewan down for eastern Montana and Wyoming. And a pink front from the eastern European Michigan down to eastern Ontario, and a warm front from Ontario and Toronto, stretching down to western New York, warm front. Cold western New York, it's got a cold front, stretching down Pennsylvania down for West Virginia, for eastern Kentucky and Tennessee down for Alabama, and stretching down for northern Mexico, and stretching down western New Mexico. I don't have a cold front from northeastern Florida around Jacksonville, stretching off to the Atlantic seaboard, and warm front, stretching warm front. And a frontal boundary off the northern California, frontal boundary from central Washington down from northeastern Oregon, and another frontal boundary from west central Colorado. Here, 35 degrees of the temperature in Boston, 34 out in Washington D.C., 43 in Atlanta, 37 in Miami, 49 out in Brownsville, 32 in Dallas, 9 in Kansas City, 22 in Chicago, 1 in Minneapolis, 4 below in Denver, 25 out in Albuquerque, 7 in Salt Lake City, Utah, 10 up in Great Falls, 25 in Seattle, 37 in San Fran, and 45 in Los Angeles. Here. Alright. Weather advisory is not in effect until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning in locations central Rhode Island, including Providence and Bristol County, Massachusetts. Hazard type snow, sleet, and freeze array. The accumulation snow accumulation route. When it along with a trace of ice. Time it snow change the sleet and freeze array by daybreak then to plain rain later in the morning. Impacts. Hazardous traffic condition which will affect the morning commute. A winter weather advisory is if should wet. Snow and ice is forecast to develop in the affected areas, but accumulations are expected to be light. Any snow or ice would make driving and walking difficult, but not impossible on untreated roadways and sidewalks. When temperatures are below freezing, motorists need to be especially careful of bridges or overpasses where slippers out because they easily develop.
Thanks for having me.
Day 1, today to not. Winter weather advisory. Days 2 for 7, Tuesday for Sunday. There's going to be a load of probably that winter weather advisory needed on Tuesday due to snowfall.
Swedish meatball.
Okay, because we're going to do two kinds of. First, let's do the traditional Swedish.
Traditional. So,
Alright, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. Goes like this.
onions, and we're gonna add a little breadcrumb. Very simple. You're gonna add some parsley for me.
For today, rain mainly before 2 p.m. High to 41 degrees east with about 5 miles per hour coming.
Yeah.
Light southeast in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation is 9%. New precipitation odds between the 10 and a quarter inch possible. Tonight,
We're gonna give it.
patchy cloud before 10 p.m. Otherwise, most skies below low on 30 degrees. Calm wind becoming west about 6 miles per hour. Tuesday, snow likely maybe before 11 a.m. Most of the skies higher to 35 degrees. West wind about 5 to 8 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 60%. New precipitation odds. 1 to 3 inches possible with a snow. Tuesday night, most skies will gradually becoming clear. Low on 22 degrees. West wind about 6 to 8 miles per hour. Wednesday, skies higher to 33 degrees. West wind about 8 to 13 miles per hour. Gusts at 29 miles per hour. Wednesday night, most of the skies lower 19 degrees. Thursday, most of the skies are 27 degrees. Thursday night, most of the skies lower 13 degrees. Friday, most of the skies are 30 degrees. Friday night, part skies with a lower than 60 degrees. Saturday, part skies higher than 32 degrees. Saturday night, a chance of snow showers. Most skies high. A lower at 19 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. And for Sunday, most of the skies higher than 32 degrees.
So you have to have that.
Heaters, weather phrase of the day. A rainy and an icy start on top of a Monday. This is PJ Winston. Have a good day with a good positive attitude.
To answer your question, what really gives it that Swedish bit